Here's how to set up and use your iPhone from your Mac using iPhone mirroring in macOS Sequoia. Straight to the demo. So let's get started. iPhone mirroring system requirements: an Apple Silicon Mac using macOS Sequoia 15 or later, and iPhone using iOS 18 or later, and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on both devices, and your iPhone and Mac are signed into the same Apple account and using two-factor authentication. With iPhone mirroring system requirements all checked, let's take a look at how to set up the iPhone mirroring app. To use iPhone mirroring on your Mac, your iPhone must be locked and nearby. Then open the iPhone mirroring app either from the Applications folder or Launchpad or the dock. Click the Continue button, then as instructed on your iPhone, enter your passcode to enable iPhone mirroring. Now, choose if you want to allow notifications from iPhone. I'll select Allow for now and later show how to change this option. Next, click the Get Started button and choose how you want to be authenticated on your Mac each time you use iPhone mirroring. Select Ask Every Time, where you're prompted each time to touch ID or enter your Mac user password. Or select Authenticate Automatically, where you're prompted to enter your Mac user password to allow this. Let's start using the iPhone mirroring app. Use these simple keyboard shortcuts to resize your iPhone mirroring window. From Actual Size window, press Command - for smaller window, or Command 0 for actual size, or Command +sign for larger window. Using your mouse or trackpad on your iPhone mirroring window, scroll up to select App Switcher or Home Screen. Tap or click and hold on the home screen to edit home screen as you would on iPhone when using your fingers. Click Done when finished. You can also tap or click and hold on an app or widget for additional options, or slightly move an app or widget to rearrange them. It should be noted, while using iPhone mirroring on your Mac, your iPhone remains locked. Anytime you physically start using your iPhone, iPhone mirroring stops on your Mac. Click the Connect button on iPhone mirroring window and enter your Mac user password to connect to your iPhone, or if automatic authentication is enabled, simply click on the Connect button. To stop mirroring your iPhone, simply quit the iPhone mirroring app or unlock your iPhone. For additional iPhone mirroring options and settings, with iPhone mirroring app opened, from the menu bar, either select View or Window for more options. And to change how Mac accesses iPhone, from the menu bar, select iPhone mirroring, then Settings. Now, choose Mac Login to ask every time or automatically authenticate. To automatically authenticate, verify by entering your Mac user password. Next, let's take a look at how to turn off iPhone notifications. You can use your Mac or iPhone to control which iPhone notifications your Mac receives as follows. From Mac, 1. Open System Settings. 2. Scroll down, click Notifications, then click on Allow Notifications from iPhone. This setting only appears after you've set up iPhone mirroring as shown earlier. 3. When Allow Notifications from iPhone is on, you can choose which iPhone app receives notifications on your Mac. When off, your iPhone does not send any notifications to your Mac. If an app setting says Mirroring Disabled from your iPhone, as shown for the iPhone YouTube app, simply open Settings on iPhone, scroll down and click Notifications. Then, scroll down and click on YouTube, then turn on Show on Mac. And to control iPhone notifications from iPhone, 1. Open Settings. 2. Click Notifications. 3. Select any app. Then if you want to prevent both Mac and iPhone from receiving notifications, turn off Allow Notifications from that app. And to prevent only your Mac from receiving notifications, turn off Show on Mac. Moving on, drag and drop items between devices. If your Mac is running macOS Sequoia 15.1 or later and your iPhone is using iOS 18.1 or later, you can drag and drop items such as photos, videos and documents between your devices. As shown, I'll just drag and drop a photo then a video from the Photos app on iPhone and drop on Mac desktop. Similarly, I'll drag a photo from Mac Desktop to Notes app on iPhone and then a document to Files app. To remove Mac computers from iPhone mirroring, you can use one of two options. Option 1. On Mac, 1. With iPhone mirroring app open, from the menu bar, click iPhone mirroring and select Settings. 2. Click the Revoke Access for the name of your Mac button, and 3. Click on the Revoke button to confirm. And option 2, on iPhone. 1. Go to Settings, then General. 2. Click or tap on AirPlay and Continuity, then on iPhone mirroring. And 3. Swipe left, then click or tap the Delete button. Or click or tap Edit in the top right corner, then select a Mac to remove. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of the next upcoming video. Peace.